Hi guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Adriatique. So this one here, nice simple cocktail, 3-ingredient cocktail. I love 3-ingredient cocktails. Often the simplest drinks are the best. So I'm really excited about this one. I've just got a bottle of Montenegro, and I've got a few other cocktails that are lined up. If you like Montenegro, make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned because I'll have some more recipes coming up soon. And also a big shout out to Craig and Laura. They're one of the first people to utilize the buy the back bar feature. I'll leave a link to that in the description below so you can find out a little bit more information. But essentially, they bought this bottle, they get their name tag on the bar, and they get to request a cocktail, and I give them a shout out basically and say a huge thank you for supporting the channel. Makes so I can keep going and keep making videos for you guys. So hopefully you enjoy this drink. So this one was originally created by Jackson Cannon from the Island Creek Oyster Bar in Boston, I believe. As always, I'll confirm those details in the description below. Let's get started on the drink. Nice and easy. 3 ingredients. It doesn't have a big volume, so you'd probably want to use a small glass, a stemmed cocktail glass. I'm using a Nicanora, but like a little vintage glass would be absolutely perfect for it. So 30 mils, 1 ounce of Amaro Montenegro, and then 15 mil, thanks to Craig and Laura. So Craig likes his Aperol, gin, whilst Laura likes Sambuca. So I'll make sure, I haven't actually done any Sambuca cocktails. I do have a fennel liqueur, which whilst made using different ingredients, it has that similar anise profile. So soon guys, very soon. And then I've got freshly squeezed orange juice, 30 ml, 1 ounce. And it's as simple as that. 3 ingredients, add ice and give it a quick shake. Now strain it into your glass. So you can see there that the volume isn't very big. This is a Nicanora glass, has a small volume, so it is quite small, the drink. You can always up your proportions if you like. I'll let you know how it goes. Cheers. Not as sweet as anticipating. It works really well with the fresh orange juice. It's really delicious, really good. The Montenegro and the Aperol just kind of bolster the orange juice. It's freshly squeezed orange juice, nothing out of a carton for this one. Damn. Works really well. Imagine one of probably the best tasting oranges you've ever had, and this is better than that. It's really tasty, and as you can see, it's surprisingly easy to drink. I'm gonna make another one. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.